Hello guys, so today we're going to the NEC, the Motorhome and Caravan show. We haven't been before, so we don't know what to expect, but let's go in and find out, shall we?
That's just one hall. I think there are 24.
I do wonder something, given that the average age of people who actually purchase these sort of campers with this sort of layout is rather older, so may have some problems with joints or knees, may need a bit more space. I do wonder why they create such narrow corridors and rather unwieldy obstacles for people who generally are less agile. And the narrow corridor, I mean, if you have been following us for a while through our Scandinavia trip, you know that we don't really fancy the lack of elbow room. So I just wonder, why this layout?
I'd recommend the Combi 4 rather than the Combi 6 because the heat for Combi 6 is massive. And what sort of vehicle are you putting in?
It's a long wheelbase crafter.
The Combi 4 will comfortably do it.
If you were to hazard a guess how much this is, what would you say? All in?
At least 100,000.
133,000.
133. Right, so this is those vans that have the toilet door become your bedroom door. So Sam, would you like to come in the bedroom? There we are. That unlatches and it latches on the other side.
Latch it.
Yeah.
So great, now you're trapped in here with a bathroom and a bed.
Yeah, and if anybody else is sleeping on the other side, they do not have a toilet.
Guess how many amp hours of batteries this whole van has? Of lithium, by the way. It's lithium.
I don't know.
135.
Only 135?
That would be the one for, obviously, for the maximum capacity, 85 litres.
85 litres.
Yeah.
That is what I call flat pack.
That's why you need a
It's
flat
like a Harry Potter tent.
Yeah. That's why you need a flat pack, because you cannot carry that on the road. Just look how wide it is. We're deciding between AGM and lithium.
Yeah.
For our budget, I think AGM is better. At the moment, we were looking at the Extreme series.
We're going to have quite a lot of lighting because we work long hours and stare at the computer.
the sort of green one we've got there, the PLHC, that's actually a pure lead carbon. That's only 100 amp hour.
Yeah.
We do also do them in sort of a 210, and we can get them in larger as well.
Are you able to discharge them more than, because obviously with AGMs 50% is about
where you want to take it, yeah.
If you discharge them more than 50%,
Yeah.
it's not that they won't be able to output 12 volts,
Yeah.
but you just reduce
the cycle life, yeah.
But it doesn't damage the battery,
No,
it
yeah.
just reduces
It just
the cycle
reduces the cycle life, yeah.
That was our day at the Motorhome and Caravan show at the NEC, and it was huge. I can definitely see how people can spend 4 or 5, I don't know, I think it runs like for 6 days or something like that. I think actually from watching this video, I think there's still a day left on the clock, so you could actually go and have a look yourself. It was very helpful for us to speak to the companies that we're gonna buy our products from, to ask them our more technical questions, and we had some very good conversations. Yeah, so next week we're gonna be carrying on with the van conversion, so make sure you subscribe for that and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss out.